Somewhere right now, someone is starting a data science course and they will quit it in 3 weeks. I know because I quit two of them already. I am in my final year of a CSC degree and I still don't know data science properly. So this time I doing it differently. I am following a plan, posting every week so I can't quietly disappear. And today I am showing you exactly what's in it. Both time I quit before nothing happened. Nobody noticed, not even me. So this time, I am posting every week. If I stop, you will see it right away. That's the whole trick. Not motivation, just no way to quite fail. Here the 7th month plan I am following. Month 1 is Python, the coding language data people people use, plus basic maths. In month 2 is SQL, which is just meaning asking a database for information. Most real jobs start here. Before any fancy model, I practice on massive real data. In month 3, statistics and charts, checking if a result is actually true, not just luck, and learning to make graphs that tell a clear story. In month 4 is my first model, programming that learn pattern from past data to guess new data. I learn to build them and to check if they are actually good. In month 5, gets harder, a stronger model picking the right data to feed them, and a first small look at deep learning and tech behind things like ChatGPT. In month 6, it is a two full project on real data, start to finish. I even put one online for people to use. No new theory, just prove I can build, not just learn. And month 7 is building a portfolio and get job ready. Resume, cleaning up my project page, practice interview, actually applying. The goal isn't it? I know data science. I can prove it. The full plan broken down week by week is free to download. Link in the description. Job grab it, pick your own start date and learn with me at your own pace. Every week for the next 7 months, I am posting exactly what I worked on, what confused me, and what I skip next time. So if you are learning too, you have got a weekly check in built in. Tomorrow